Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Cooking with Mona and Mish. Today we're gonna make an authentic Indian biryani with a really yummy buttermilk sauce that you can eat next to it. And here is all the ingredients that we're gonna be using, and all of these ingredients are listed in details in the description box below the video. We start by sauteing the onions. We use 1/4 cup of cooking oil and one large onion sliced thin, and half teaspoon of Himalayan salt, half teaspoon of turmeric, and 1/4 teaspoon of saffron. We add 1/4 teaspoon of saffron on 2 tablespoons of hot water and mix them well. For the chicken marinade, we start with 1 cup of buttermilk. We add 1.5 teaspoon of Himalayan salt. This is 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic fresh, and here 1 teaspoon of red chili, half teaspoon of turmeric with a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of coriander, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. We add all the spices to the buttermilk and mix them well. Then we add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or lime. Then we add 1 tablespoon of saffron water over the chicken and we mix them well. Then we add about 1/4 cup of tomatoes. It's about 1 small tomatoes chopped. Now we add the buttermilk marinade with all the spices and we mix it well. And then we add 1 stick of cinnamon. Then we add half of the sauteed onion after it cooled off and we mix it well. Then we add green chilies. We slice it a little bit. Then we add about 4 strings of fresh mint. We cover it. We put it in the fridge. Let it marinate for like overnight. For the buttermilk sauce that we eat next to the biryani, we add 2.5 cups of buttermilk, 2 teaspoons of Himalayan salt, 1 teaspoon of red chilies, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. We mix them together. Then we put it in a container in the fridge. Now we saute the potatoes and eggs. So we add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil with 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt, half teaspoon of red chilies, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. We mix them well together. And we add the cut potatoes. This is about 6 small potatoes. And we mix them well. And then we add them into the pot to saute them. And then we add the 6 boiled eggs in the same marinade. And we add this oil marinade into the potatoes. Now we want to just give them some colors. We don't want to cook the potatoes because they're going to be cooked with the rice. We saute the eggs a little bit just to take color, and then we keep them on the side with the onions. For the lentils, after we wash it, then we add 1 tablespoon of Himalayan salt and about 6 cups of water from the sink, and we cook it. We let it boil till it's soft and ready. We drain the water and keep it on the side. To cook the rice, we add 2 tablespoons of Himalayan salt on 2 liters of water. And when it boils, we add the rice and we add some cardamon and cinnamon stick. And we let it boil for about 6 to 8 minutes till it's al dente. Then we drain the rice and take the cardamom out. Then in the same rice pot, I would add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and a little bit rice on the bottom of the pot. And then I will add the marinated chicken distributed on the bottom. And this chicken is raw, so we don't cook it, we put it raw. Then we add some of the rice and the lentils, and then we add the eggs and potato layer. Then we add some of the sauteed onion and the rest of the marinade vegetables without the juice, and then we add the rest of rice and lentils and the onions. Then we add the rest of the saffron water, and we add about 1/4 cup of water onto the rice. Then let it cook on medium heat for about 10 minutes. Then after that, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and bring a towel, kitchen towel and cover it and seal it well, cover it back and let it cook on like medium low heat. And every 30 minutes, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. It will take around hour and a half to cook. Then you eat it with the buttermilk sauce, which is really, really yummy. I hope you guys like this recipe. Please try it and share it and let me know if you make it, how it came out. Bye, bon appetit.